The Bwlch Mountain bends, probably the best roads in South Wales. The big bends between the Bwlch Mountain and Cymmer are my favourite. I'll be riding down them and back up again in this video. There's 7 great bends on today's ride, and bend number 7 is my favourite. So if you like riding your motorbike on great roads, around great bends, on great mountains, then this ride is for you.
Okay, so today's ride is from Sarn Services in Cardiff up to the Sarn Services Bridge End via the Bwlch Mountain. So we're in Cardiff Coryton Services, and we're going to come out onto the on the roundabout and take the exit for the A470. Coming off at Pontypridd, we go through Porth to Treorchy, and then up over the Bwlch Mountain, down the other side to Blackmill and Sarn Services. But in between, when we get to the top of the Bwlch Mountain, we're actually taking a turning on the A4107 towards Port Talbot, and when we get to Cymmer, we'll take a left over the mountain to Caira and Nantafyllan, and into Maesteg, where we'll take I can't remember the name of the number of the road, but it's the one over the mountain towards Bryn, Cwmafan, and then back to top of the Bwlch Mountain via the A4107. Okay, so here we go.
This route is 60 miles long and will take you 2 hours to ride. Riding back from Sarn to Coryton on the M4 makes it 75 miles, taking 2.5 hours to ride.
Okay, so this is Coryton roundabout, and the first exit will be onto the M4, then we'll take the second one onto the A470 for Pontypridd. Castell 4, looking good. So it's the next exit for Pontypridd, coming off the A470. We'll follow this road through Pontypridd. We're in Pontypridd. Basically, we're following signs for Rhondda Valley. There we are. Signs for Rhondda Valleys, straight on. So we're in the Rhondda Valley. Okay, first sign for Porth. So basically straight on all the way on this road. I think it was at this junction I ended up coming out of on another trip over the Bwlch Mountain when I went coming back via Llanrhefael, I think it was. Yeah, we came down there. Sign for Treorchy, second exit. Straight on really. Okay, so another roundabout coming up. Signs for Treorchy, straight on. Another roundabout, straight over to Treorchy. Treorchy, 3 miles. Okay, so we're actually going to take a left turn here, even though it's signposted to follow it round to the right. We're taking a left because I've got a feeling it takes us over the Bwlch Mountain. Right, so yeah, anyway, left here. So we have to take a right here. Okay. Oh, I see. We've avoided going through a stretch, come around. Left here to be back on track for Treorchy. Okay, so I think we take a left here. I'm not sure if we're in Treorchy. Treorchy is straight on, so I'm not sure which village we bypassed. Anyway, left here up to the Bwlch Mountain, the A4061. This is the start of the climb to the top of the Bwlch Mountain. It's a lovely view. Road snaking up. Can't see anyone coming down it. Nice bend. Another hairpin bend coming up. There's a lovely view to the right. Okay, this is a sharp one. The sun's right in my eyes. That's better. So we'll be taking a right here. On the A4107 to Port Talbot, and then we'll go through Maesteg and Bryn, etc., and come back out here and follow on down that road to Blackmill. Oh, come on, sheep. Alright, let you pass. Stop off here. Look at that for a view. You can see the road going down, sneaking down. Let's take a picture of that. Oh, really? Oh, right, okay. Anyway, see you again. Take care. So this must be probably the highest point on today's ride. And that is a lovely view. Here we are. This probably is the highest point. And as we go down the other side, we're going down the Afan Valley, which is down towards the furthest windows. So this is the borough of Port Talbot, and look at that road going down there. Lovely bend coming up. Hairpin, back on yourself. Nice. It's a very sharp one. That's the source of the River Afan we've just passed. Top of the valley. So we'll go down this road to Cymmer, where we'll take a left to Maesteg and then follow another road over past the Maesteg Golf Club to Bryn and towards Port Talbot from a different direction, and come back up this road. Ooh. Lovely road, lovely and smooth. So this is Cymmer, and there's a sharp left turn here. Where is it? So there's my uncle's shop when I was a little one, and this is the left turn, very sharp. Don't like the look of this one. Whoa. Right. So Cymmer, this is the top highest point above Cymmer, and this road goes all the way down to Maesteg. A beautiful view down the valley. My grandparents had a bakery making bread and cakes and so on in Cymmer, down the valley to the left, and that's where my mother grew up. Just up that road there on the left, up towards the top, the bit where they had the bakery. So this is now Nantafasson, and this is where my father grew up. So it's one of the turnings on the right where my father grew up. I can't remember the name of it now, but the turning before is where Kylie Minogue's grandfather lived apparently. Brown Street, is it? Brown Street, I think Kylie Minogue's grandfather lived. And, oh, what was the name of my father's road? Oh, it's just down here somewhere. Right, there's Brown Street. And the next one, what was it called? John Street, gosh. Yeah, just up there. My father grew up. So that was Nantafasson. Now we're going into Maesteg. So we could go straight on here and you'd end up in Sarn Services, but we're going to take a right through Maesteg town, over the mountain into Bryn, and back on the A4107, back up to the top of the Bwlch Mountain, and carry on the A4106 down to Blackmill. Maesteg Town Hall. So we'll carry on straight up these lights. This is the road we came down on another film I made with Lenny, and we came down from Maesteg General Hospital and had a chat at these lights before taking the right, which is our left now, but the right's coming down back to Sarn Services. I think that was called the Sarn Services Round Trip. I think that other film was called. And we'll go up to Maesteg General Hospital, park and take a photo. Okay, let's have a break here. Bit of water. Turn that off. Right, carry on. Next stop, Bwlch Mountain Viewpoint. Okay, to the top of the mountain by Maesteg Golf Club. Just about to see the golf course, I think. There's one of the greens. Coming down the other side now towards Bryn. This road eventually ends up in Port Talbot. But we'll be turning sharp right at Cwmafan. Bryn. Bit of a sharp bend, that one. And there's a really sharp bend coming up. We have to take a right at the bottom. Okay, here it is. Taking a right turn. So yeah, this road will take us back through Cymmer, the A4107 to the Bwlch Mountain. That is a sharp one. This is the Afan Valley. The Afan Forest, and at the bottom the River Afan. Lovely winding road. Very nice road. I've only ever come down this road. It's the first time for me to go up it, and I think I prefer riding up it. On Cwmafan down there, that's where Richard Burton was from. I do like riding up this road. Look at that for a view on your left. So we're back in Cymmer. This is where we turned off on the way down to go to Maesteg. That's where we turned off. We went up there to Maesteg. There's my uncle's shop. Well, I think it was my uncle's shop when I was a lad. You can see the twisting, winding roads up ahead. Oh, good. I do like this road. Oh, you can see the road ahead, winding around the mountain. You see the van going up the road, which we'll be going up after going round this very sharp hairpin bend. Lovely. Very nice. Down there, we just come up, and the Avon Valley, those villages down there. Right, another nice bend. Never gone up this one. Bwlch Mountain Viewpoint, that's our next stop. I think that's where the hang gliders are. Soon find out. That's the chap I was talking to earlier. That is a good view. Okay, so we're back at the viewpoint. We came up from the left and turned right here. So we'll pull over just here. You see the road down there we came up earlier. That must be Treorchy at the bottom. Just see the one paraglider and a motorbike coming down. Right, some water, take a photo. What is that sheep doing? I've never seen a sheep going up to be stroked before. Okay, so let's continue. We're back in the A4061, leaving the Bwlch, going to Sarn Services. And this should be straight all the way from now. Oh, that sun is blinding. If I remember rightly, there's another lovely bend coming up. There it is. We can get out to the sun. Oh, look at that bend. Lovely. Stay there, see. Lovely chicane. Back in Nantamoyle. We're just following this road now all the way back to the services in Sarn. Well, take a left at this roundabout. I was saying on the A4 106, you've gone through Nantamoyle, another little village you have to go through. I think this one is Lewistown or something like that. And I think then we'll have Blackmill coming up. And then Bryn before we get to the Sarn Services. Here's that junction in Blackmill again. That features in a couple of other videos I've made. So this must be Bryn, I think. Again, straight on, all the way. So we're now approaching the roundabout at Sarn Services, where you could take a left here and go straight onto the M4 to either Cardiff or Swansea. We're going to take a right at the roundabout to go down to the services to finish off the ride. There we are, in the Sarn Services. Right, here we are. End of the route.
Click on screen now to watch more videos like this.